Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this React.js project video tutorial we will learn that how we can make a route for product listing, as well as we will learn what is the use of route switches. So before just going to start with the points, I want to tell that we just missed the one router. Rather than it, we will just create all routes like add product, update product, registration and login. All routes are done here, but we missed the route for product listing. So we are going to make a product listing router in this video, and on a what route we will just make it, we will make it on a root router. That means we are not adding any uh, post fix with the router, so it will be just visible on root router like this. But for a moment there is a nothing to show. So now let's start it. We need to make a component for product listing. After that we will define a route for it, and we will use a switch, because when we are making a route for root router, you will find that there is a problem on every uh, URL. We will just find that two components or two routes are visible with the same route. So we will resolve this problem, and after that we will test this complete flow. So now let's make a component with the name of, let's say, product list.js, and let's make a function with the product list, a return, and for a moment we can use here a div for return, and we will place here some text and header. But let's export it. First of all, export default and that one, and after that let's import a header here. Import header from header, and let's just define the header here. And now let's just write here some text also, like product listing or something. This is fine. So to use for it, we must have to import it in app.js. So let's import it. Import something from product list, and let's import the same module, and we can use it inside any route. So let me just create a route here, which is similar to the add product, because it should be protected also. So let me add here a product listing, and it should be visible on a route screen. So now you will find that everything is fine on home page, but whenever we will open a add product or update product, we are just seeing the two routes here, one which is home and another one is actually. The reason being because we are using this route at the root, that's why it will just getting the two routes, because it's passing through the root, and after that it will just going on update. That's why it will just showing the both of it. So how we can resolve this problem? So for that we can just use a switch, because when we use a switch will just select a one route which is just come at the first position. So let me import here switch, and we can use it inside a browser router like this. And let me just close it at the last like this. That's great. And one more thing that we need to do, we must have to use this home router at the last, like here. And now let's check. Everything is working fine, and home is also working fine, but we also need to add our list menu. So let's jump on header.js, and let's add one more route, product list, and let's check it. product listing working fine, and other routes is also working fine. So this is the way that how we can create a root router, as well as we can use a switch. Thanks for watching this video. If you still have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment box. Bye bye, take care.